birthday, Ninang!
Happy birthday po, Ninang. Sana maging malakas parati, magpalakas. And pasensya na po kasi hindi kami nakakauwing madalas. Tatry namin, sana sa sunod na uwi namin, magkita-kita tayo. Namimiss ko na nung malalakas pa tayo, nung madalas tayong magkasama. Basta happy birthday, magpalakas, strong body and healthy. Kumusta sa lahat? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po! Take care! Be safe! Bye-bye!
Hello ma, happy birthday. Sorry na, sa school ako ngayon. Pero I wish you all the best and have a good day, have a great birthday. Sana makita tayo soon. Happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Nay Olive. On your special day, I pray that God showers you with His choicest blessings, abundant health, and perfect peace. Thank you for being such a beautiful example of faith and love in my life.
Sa letrang B, 70. Happy birthday, Tia. Namimiss ko yung bingo times natin. Tapos may libre akong may pang merienda after. Diba, may balato ako after ng bingo. Happy birthday and wishing you a good health. And sana marami pang years na makasama ka ng family mo and namin, of course. Happy birthday! Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Mama. Hope you're doing well. Wishing you all the best. Sorry we're not able to celebrate with you again, but I hope there's a chance for me and Ate to go there soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Olivia. Sana yung birthday mo pinakamasaya. Tapos, sa buhay mo, alahanin mong maraming taon na darating sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday, kapatid! Enjoy your day. Enjoy ka lang kahit wala kami.
Sana malusog ka po, tapos wala ka pong masakit.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Livia. Enjoy your day. More birthday to come.
Hi, Maring Olive. Happy birthday. Naway bigyan ka po ng malakas at malusog na pangangatawan para humaba pa po ang iyong buhay. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday, Mama Olive. I wish you a good health and long life. Maraming salamat at hindi niyo po ako nakakalimutan. Ate Jing, thank you. Sana po naiintindihan niyo po ako. Happy birthday, Mama Olive. God bless you. I love you, Mama Olive.
Maraya po kaninyo ngamin. Maisos at Olive and family. Happy birthday, Ate Olive. Pasensya na, di kami siton makaiyan. Dakol ka ding kuha. Luto na ginigibo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Ate Olive.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. I hope you have many more birthdays to come. Pakabagsikon sa naman lugod. Laging malakas. Ate Olive, si Ellen, may bati.
Happy birthday, Ate Olive. Sana permisan ng mabagsik. Good health, permi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po. Ingat sana, Perme.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Tia Olive. Happy 70th birthday. Ang dasal ko sa ating Panginoon ay bigyan ka pa niya ng malakas na pangangatawan at maraming birthday pa ang iyong maisa-celebrate. Muli, happy 70th birthday.
Hello po, Mama Olive. Kamusta na po? Happy birthday po. Sana po marami pa po kayong birthday na i-celebrate. At pagpalain po kayo ng Panginoon.
Mama Olive, happy birthday po. Sana po pinagdarasal po namin na marami pang birthday ang darating. Celebrate with your grandkids at pamilya. Kita-kita po tayo next year. Baka sakali. Happy birthday.
Enjoy your special day po, Mama Olive.
Bye. See you soon.
Hi! Hi, Mare! Kumusta?
Say hi, say hi. Sige
A blessed happy birthday! Kumusta na? Ito na yung pamilya ko. meron na akong trophy. Kumusta? Maligayang kaarawan sa Tagalog. Hope the Lord continue to bless you. You're so blessed. I know that sa mga anak, napaka-bless mo. And wishing you good health and long life.
Hello, happy birthday. Wishing you another wonderful year of happiness and joy. Happy birthday again, Olive.
Mare, namiss ko na yung ingay mo. Nasa sakayan pa lang ako ng jeep, naririnig ko na yung boses mo. Sana ay magkita pa tayo. I know that God will guide us always, and soon we're gonna meet each other. Thank you at ingat lagi, and God bless you. Kinakabahan pa ako na ito, ha? Umayos ka.
Happy 70th birthday, Ate Olive. More birthdays to come. Sana good health always.
Hi, my Olive. Happy 70th birthday. Sabi nga namin ni Jing, parang dibu mo eh. Naalala ko tuloy nung tumutulong kami ni Ate Dag sa tindahan during Christmas break. I think that's the most fondest memory I can think of. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, yung pagluto-luto mo yun, spark my own love for cooking. And I really appreciate that. And very, very thankful for that. Kasi kung hindi namin experience yun, siguro, hindi rin ako matututong magluto. Even though my mom knows how to cook, but 70. So just enjoy it, my Olive. Problema, andyan lang yan. Everybody has a problem. So, just wanted to stop by and wish you a wonderful birthday full of laughter and love around you. I love you. I hope to see you again when I come back home. So, regards to everybody. And enjoy your day. This is your day. Just enjoy it. Thank you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Olive. I wish you get rich. And now you gave it to us. And now we can also do it on my birthday too.
Happy birthday, Lola Olive.
Happy birthday, Lola Olive.
Happy birthday, Lola Olive.
Wish you more birthdays to come. Ingat po always kayo dyan sa Pinas.
Ingat po lagi.
Hello, Ate Olive. Happy birthday. 70th birthday. Alam ko, ang ganda na ng buhay mo ngayon. Donyang-donya ka. Sana lagi in good health. Naalala mo pa ba yung mga ginawa mo sa amin na mag-iina? Ikaw ang ina ko dyan noon. Ikaw ang lagi kong nalalapitan. Laking pagpapasalamat ako sa iyo. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa iyo, Ate Olive, dahil lagi andiyan ka kahit nung magkasakit lahat ng mga anak ko na andiyan ka. Kaya nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa iyo. I miss you, Ate Olive. Love you. Mwah.
Yeah, happy birthday. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Marialdo Tabe, Manay Live. Happy birthday.
This is the day that the Lord has made. You will be glad always because you are blessed. In Numbers chapter 6 verse 24 to 26, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. I pray that the Lord will give you long life to live, to be with your children, with your grandchildren, and always smile in your heart and give thanks to the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. More blessings to come. Happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Ninang Olive.
Happy 70th birthday po, Ninang. Naway maging masaya po kayo sa iyong kaarawan ngayon.
At maging malusog ang pangangatawan mo.
At marami laging pera, Ninang. God bless you. Enjoy your birthday.
Love you. I miss you.
Miss you, Ninang. God bless you all.
Happy birthday!
Hello po. Happy birthday po, Olive.
May Olive.
More birthdays to come po.
More birthdays to come po. Happy birthday. We love you po.
Okay. Happy birthday po, Ate Olive. Wish ko po sa inyo ni Kuya GC, good health. Dalangin ko po sa Panginoon na marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay ninyo. Ni Kuya GC, ingat po kayo palagi. I miss you. Happy birthday po ulit, Ate Olive.
Ayan, Ate Olive mo galing sa bansa ng Hong Kong. Dito na ako nag-golden. At ikay na may 70 na. Happy birthday. Enjoy your buhay. Ayahay. Sana all ayahay na. Ayan. Wish you all the best, Ate Olive. More birthday to come. More birthdays to come with pamilya. Ayan, galang pamilya always. God bless you and your family. Ayan, happy birthday ulit po, Ate Olive. Ayan, iwasan lang ang mga bawal na sa atin kasi ang dami na natin aray. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, thank you so much din sa paunlak na mag-greet sa iyong mother. Ayan, God bless everyone. Bye. Ate Olive, happy birthday ulit.
Hello po. Una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord at nakilala ko po yung family nyo, Ate Olive, na napakabait po. So, happy 70th birthday. Sana po lagi lang po kayong good health. Ingatan nyo po yung sarili nyo, Ate Olive, at napakababait po ng mga anak nyo po. Thank you so much po sa lahat. God bless. Happy birthday po, Ate Olive. Bye-bye. Enjoy your birthday. Thank you sa lahat po.
Happy birthday, Ninang Olive. Dalangin ko po na lagi lang po kayong malakas. At ingatan po kayo ni Lord lagi. Happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Olive, maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Naway, bigyan ka pa ng may kapal ng mahabang buhay, malusog na pangangatawan, at marami pang blessing sa buhay. Lagi mong iingatan yung kalusugan mo dahil hindi na tayo pabata. Pasensya ka na kung hindi ako nakapunta sa celebration mo dahil nagkasabay yung birthday ng pamangkin ko at yung okasyon mo. Happy birthday ulit at God bless. Love you.
Hello, Ate Olive. Happy 70th birthday. More birthday to come. God bless. Enjoy your day.